Show yourself if you are not a coward. Show yourself. Man or beast or spirit, show yourself. Who are you, little girl? Who are you? And why have you decided to interrupt my movement? Do you want doom to befall you?
I am Amumamiri, the great-granddaughter of Nnemiri Oja, the granddaughter of Nwanyimiri Okike, and the daughter of Ngenemiri, the purest and cleanest of waters.
I don't care. I don't care who sent you. I don't care. Now go. Go. Tell whoever sent you that this is not a children's playground. It is not yet moonlight for the moonlight dance. Now go. 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 Shebapo. Go. For Igu has a great task ahead of him.
Your days are numbered. Desist from your evil ways or be consumed by it. For it is only a brave and wise man that yield to caution, but the foolish throw it away. Destruction is ahead of you. Be warned, Igu. Be warned.
Go away! Go! Azubu n'ime mmiri ka obi mmiri ga-emetụ ya. Odumoje odumana. Odumoje odumana. Agwụ. Okirikiri ka a na-agba ukwu ose. Adị ala ihe nụ. Ọgadagidi nwa mmụọ. Lie? Ṅụọ? Odumoje odumana. Ka ị na-agwa m ife m ga-eme. Ewo! Ewo! Odumeje odumana. Odumeje odumana. Gaga n'ogwu. Odumeje odumana. Gaga n'ogwu. Agụ n'onwe. Odumeje odumana. Krikata ne? Udala si n'enu dana n'aja ga-emetụ ya. Azụbụ n'ime mmiri ka ọ ga-ebi. Arụ ya ma nkọ mmiri. Ngengeli. Ngengedebe. Ama nkọ mo. Agwụ.
Why are you staring at me?
Staring at your eyes.
What about my eyes?
I am staring at your beauty. Each time I look into your eyes, I see nothing but Amimini of Oshimini, the goddess of beauty. You might not be as beautiful as other maidens, but there is something special in you. There is something special about you that has kept all the men of this kingdom wondering and wishing to have you. Aroma, you are indeed glorious.
How beautiful and tender are your words. How complete the delight of your love. I will love and cherish you all the days of my life. I love you.
Mine is endless. I love you so much.
Ow! Ow! Ow, stop!
Arom, I wish I had the whole day. I just wish the dusk could meet us here so we lay gently somewhere, staring at the stars all through the night.
I just can't wait to be traditionally taken by you. I just can't wait. I cannot wait to be cuddled all through the cold night by the only man that enchants my heart.
Very soon.
How soon?
Very soon, Arom.
Soon is like ages.
I know, but very soon. I have to go now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, go where my lover.
Agreed. Greetings.
My name is Itoha.
Call me Afam.
You kept me waiting.
Kept you waiting? How do you mean?
Never mind. I was even ready to wait more, knowing well that you would definitely cross this path.
I see. So to what do I owe all this?
Just a harmless friendship. I like you. I like everything about you. You are the dream of every maiden in this kingdom.
Stop. Look for another man.
Ndewo. Umoma. Hey. Beautiful maidens of Nchi. You.
Me?
Yes, you. What do they call you?
Aroma.
Hey! Aroma. Very nice name. Very nice name. Suitable name. Good name. Zibafa. Good name. Aroma. Very suitable.
Thank you.
Very suitable for you. Who is your father?
Latestt Udoku.
Mazi Udoku. Hey! Oh, he was a good man. No wonder the resemblance. Your father. He was a good man. But don't tell me that you are Machi's daughter.
Yes, Nai.
Inanokwa. So Machi has a grown-up daughter like you. Machi. Hey. See me later in the day in my hut. I have a message for your mother.
Oh.
Hey, beautiful maidens. Even you too, you are equally beautiful. Aroma. Hey. Machi's daughter. As your very good friend, I've been meaning to ask you this.
What is it?
Tell me the truth. What are your intentions towards Aroma? Because I know she loves you from this side of her heart.
Of course I want to make her my wife. I'm even planning to go and see her parents coming next Mongo Market Day. What is funny?
I've been waiting to hear this from you. You see, the way people are talking about you and Aroma, I know they're expecting to hear something negative from your relationship. Oh yes! But with this you just said now, you have proven them wrong.
Prove them wrong. I will prove them wrong. I will definitely prove them wrong. Udo, do you know that Aroma is a perfect gift of the gods? I believe she was specially designed for me. I have never dreamt of not making her my wife for once. I love that girl.
You're a man.
Of course I am.
You are. In that case,
I am struggling behind you.
hey,
Zoe.
Let's carry on.
Listen, you will have to contribute. Yes, you will contribute both financially and otherwise.
Remove
There is evil in the land.
Oh. Aroma. Yes, I knew. Hey, you know, you look like the morning star.
Thank you, Nai.
It's your mother at home now?
No, she's not back from the market.
Oh, very good. Let's go inside.
Inside?
Oh, yes, my daughter. Let's go inside. Oh, no, you don't have to be scared. You don't have to worry. I will do you no harm. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go.
There is evil in the kingdom.
The gods forbid! People have been saying it, I never believed them. You want to force me and lay with me? You are evil! Don't tell me to calm down! I don't want your money! You are evil! Sophia, may the gods forbid you!
But the powers is greater. Is greater.
She looked at me. She looked at me in the face after denying me her body and called me evil. She looked at me and called me evil.
Calamity in the land. Oh, what is going on?
Aroma, are you okay? Don't mind that useless and shameless man that calls himself Ego. What did he do? Exactly what you said. He wanted to forcefully lay with me. Can you imagine? He wanted to tamper with my womanhood. Oh, quit. I knew that man was up to something evil. He has failed. Let's go. Useless man. His plans will not work.
We need you. Come to our aid. Oh, there is evil in the land. So
What do you want? What?
Afam, I can't get you off my mind. I have tried, but I couldn't. Everything in me salutes your handsomeness and makes me hunger for you every now and then. Please, Afam. Please be my lover.
I already have one, and I don't intend to have another.
Afam, why are you being difficult?
I am not being difficult. Would you rather prefer me lying to you?
Afam, if your truth will break my heart, please lie to me, I don't mind. Please, Afam. Tell me what it will take for you to be in my arms.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I am sorry, I can't help you.
Afam. Afam. My name is Itoha.
Oh, Itoha. The daughter of Chief Anile, the recent Ezeji and the richest farmer of Amandi Kingdom.
The most beautiful one.
The dream of every man. You are so beautiful.
Thank you. So, you even know my father?
Oh, yes, of course. Who doesn't know your father in Amandi Kingdom, our neighboring village?
Okay.
So, to what do I owe your presence?
Take this money.
For what? Why are you giving me money?
Talk to your friend. Convince him on my behalf and you will get more. I love your friend, Afam. I love him so much. Someone told me that you both are very close.
Yes, sir. He's my very good friend. Any place you see me, you are seeing him also. Wait. Hey! You mean all this money to convince Afam to be your lover?
Yes.
consider it done. From today, Afam is your love. Whatever you want to do with him, do with him. You know what? Let me quickly start to work. There's no time.
It's okay. I'll be waiting.
Good! Afam! Afam! Okay. Why are you this excited? So you are this secretive? I thought we were friends. Eh? It's not good though.
Secretive about what?
Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
What are you saying?
Did you ever mention to me that the daughter of Anele is asking you out and you refused?
Reason because it doesn't make any sense to me.
Yes. She asked me out and I told her no. I don't love her.
What was I supposed to say?
You shouldn't have told her that.
What was I supposed to say? Should I have accepted?
She loves you. She loves you.
I don't love her. I don't love her. What are you saying? Are you insane?
You see, this is not about being insane. This is about your life, about your future. Eh? Do you know how many men that are dying to have a word with her? And you have it at your fingertips. You want it to elude you. Just look at the money she gave to me. Look at the money she gave to me just because she asked me to talk to you for her. Now you used to know what you stand to gain.
Don't ever call me that. Don't ever call me that. So, it's all about money, right? Listen, Udo. Listen, let me tell you. Nothing ever moves me except a woman's love. Nothing ever gladdens my heart except that smile I see on her face at each passing dawn. Not even you, your money, the whole money in this world can change that. You are the foolish one here. Let me even ask you, are you not a man? Are you not a man? Are you not man enough?
I am not a man!
Or are you single, searching for a man? You go and get married to.
We need money!
Aroma, you are my worst distraction. You are everything that I have ever wanted. I feel or notice nothing else but your radiant beauty. Nothing will ever reduce my love for you.
Your words keep me strong and unbreakable. In your arms I have found peace. And I would love no one else but you.
I love you.
So do I.
Naigundeo.
I was going to tell you something. He invited me to his house. He wanted to live with me.
Why did you not tell me?
I didn't want to bother you. I didn't want you to feel bad. I didn't even speak to my mother about it. I'm sorry.
Listen, Aroma. You have to be very careful. Ego is evil. He's very, very bad.
I've heard. I'm sorry.
Abatala n'obodo, ewochi anyị. n'aka gị ka ị nọ. Ihe na-eme, ihe na-eme, ihe arụ ọ batala n'obodo. Isi n'omenala mebe omenelu, marakwa amara, ihe mechiri emecha mee. Onwego onye mara ihe anyị bụ n'obi, tọsọ Chukwu mara, naanị chi anyị mara. Mgbe Chikachi ga-abịa, ihe mechiri ga-eme. Mgbe Chikachi ga-abịa, ihe mechiri ga-eme.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. It's okay, seriously. Please, any hope?
No. Yes!
Eh?
Yes.
Hey! Hey!
Yes, he needed to see how I brainwashed him. I twisted his brains.
Tell me more.
I twisted his brain. Telling him how much I love him. Yes, the things that he would lose if he rejects you. It's not easy. I told him. After telling him he was listening, I was so happy. He smiled and told me, I will think about it.
You will think about it again.
See, don't bother yourself. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know I found my friend. You see, that I will think about it, he said. He means yes. I know.
Hey.
That's accepted. Let's just give him little time to digest it. That's just what I ask.
It's okay.
Okay, it's like you're going somewhere to do something.
It's okay, Udo. You don't know how happy I am, honestly. I'm so happy hearing this.
I can see it in your eyes. I see it in your face. You don't need to tell me. You know you are happy. Let me start going.
No, wait, hold on. Please, take this money. Take. I deeply appreciate your effort so far. I'm so grateful. Take.
Another money?
Yes. More will come. More. I'll bring more for you. What is it?
I mean, hey! Oh! Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate. How am I going to pay you back? Eh? Thank you. I'm in trouble. Hey!
No, you don't need to pay me back. I should be the one thanking you.
Oh, thank you.
So, Udo, I have to be on my way. My father sent me on an errand.
Good. Thank you. Good.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. What's this? How do I pay for all this money? This one is even bigger. What is all this now? Come. Afam, you must agree. I'm one. Udoka, enough is enough. Udoka, enough is enough. Eh? What is it? Can you be asking me to leave Aroma and marry a woman I don't even know anything about? What is it? Come to even think of it. What is your interest on this? What is your interest? My interest is to see my friend live a happy and fulfilled life. Is that a bad thought from a friend? Yes, it is. Udoka, it is a bad thought. Eh? I am fulfilled and happy with Aroma. Udoka, you have to stop whatever business you're doing with Itoha. You have to stop it. Stop it. Fine. Good. Listen, if you like, accept her. If you like, don't accept her. What is even my business? Oh, you know you don't have any business there and you're bothering yourself for nothing. I have. You're bothering yourself for nothing. Leave me alone, oh. Leave me alone, oh. Leave me alone, oh. The money is too much. I collected money and I'm an ego. Hijigirim bam. Hijigirim. Ojoko jemwa. Hijigirigim. Hey. Agu. Ojoko jemwa. Ojoko jemwa. Agu. Obia. Agu. Ojoko jemwa. Agu. Ojoko jemwa. Anamaka. Onye si n'ike adịrọ ya pụta ka anyị ma aka. Oke mmụọ. Ojoko jemwa. Agụ. N'ime ya ṅụọ ka ị na-afụ ụzọ na-agwa m ife m ga-eme, kpamkpam ga-akpa, alụ m ga-eme.
Ihe mere mmadụ emeghị ya ọ ga-adị gị mma. Ihe mere onye ogbenye emeghị ya ọ ga-adị gị mma. Ebele, my friend. Hello.
Ebele, you're cooking?
Hey.
Are you not going to the stream?
My mother asked me to cook before she returned from the market. I know, as usual, she'll soon be back.
Oh, I shouldn't have stressed myself coming down here.
My friend, so coming swimming now become a stress to you, Okwaya?
Ebele, you won't understand. I have a lot to do. You don't even know how I managed to squeeze out time to be here.
Go this one. Oh, next one, I'll follow you.
Oh, no problem.
Also bad.
Bye-bye.
Oh. I think I've tried for today. Let me go and rest. Oh. Obiano.
Greetings, Afam.
Udoka, what is going on here?
I brought her to see you.
Why?
I said, why?
You know, hey!
Udoka, I thought you said he wanted to see me.
No. You see? Yes. I told no. You see, what happened is that I thought your presence would change his mind. But I don't know why he's still proving stubborn and hard to get. Eh? So one small thing you can do for me, you cannot help a friend. Help me. Ma?
You have made me the biggest fool. You should have told me the truth.
Do I have to? You can only give what you have. How? Why not even leave this boy alone? Is he the only man in this village? Leave my family alone to also. If not because I've messed myself up, he won't manage it. What is all this? You have killed me. If you faced me. Come and carry my cups. Let me give you my cups.
No! What have I done?
Roma, what happened? Why this stain all over your body?
I was brutally raped by Uzo, Mazio Kaka's son, behind the Guinea River.
You were what? Mission. Roma, don't do this. Don't do this, Roma, please. Don't do this.
No! No! Aroma!
Greetings, Ugu, the great eye of the gods.
Greetings, sons of the land. And what has he done?
Justice has never been swept under the sand of this land. But he has done it.
Yes.
By taking someone's life.
Yes.
He raped my woman. He brutally raped my love.
Which side in Guinea River? What other abomination is bigger than what he has done?
He that must seek revenge must first of all dig 2 graves, one for himself and the other for the one he seeks revenge upon. Revenge is of the gods and not of man. You have desecrated our land whilst underestimating the power of the gods. Your actions can draw the anger of the gods upon our land. And to avert the action of taking the life of your fellow man. This is my judgment. Take him and bury him alive.
No! Let's go!
You. What are you doing in my house?
When an elder leaves the right path for the wrong, it takes only a brave child to caution him back to the right path.
How dare you speak such parables before me?
You have dwelled in your evil act for a long time, and you have refused to take caution. You have inflicted pain and sorrow on families. Lives of the innocent you have destroyed because of your selfish desire. Many times you have accused the gods of words they never said.
Evil dwells under the nose of the weakling. Come to think of it, little girl. You are not afraid of me. You're not scared at all. You're not scared of what the great eagle can do. Huh? Tell me you're not scared.
No matter how small the size of a snake, do not undermine its venom. I am not afraid of you because I am your doom.
Really? Huh? Okay. I will show you just a little, Obele, a little of what fire can do to the long ears of the rabbit. I will show you just a little. It's not possible. Aroma. Mother of all mothers, the purest of all mothers. Mother, I call on you. I call on you, Mother, please come. Please come! Come and heal her for me. Come and purify her. Mother, please come and make her strong again. Come please, Mother, come please! Come please!
I am here to collect all the money you collected from me. Name your small. Give me all my money.
The money I collected from you was for a purpose. Don't you want that family again? Because it's that family that I am even...
In fact, I don't want anything again. All I want right now is my money. And you must give it to me.
See, because... Calm down. Hey, we will settle it.
You are who? We settle what? Eh? Do you think I am here for a joke? Give me my money. I am not settling anything with you. Udoka, if you don't give me my money right now, I will scream. And if I do, you know the outcome. You know. Hey, why am I even wasting my time with this fool? Oh yeah, give me my money. Hey! You want to run away, Kwa? Eh? You want to run away with my money, Udoka?
I'm not going anywhere. It's only my maternal home that I'm going to report my life. I think I'm going to die.
And you will die today?
Very soon.
You will die today?
So I said, let me go and tell them in case if I die. That's where I'm going to at my maternal home. Oh, see, if it is your money. I have your money here. You think I've eaten it?
Then give it to
me. Why?
Give me my money.
The money is here.
Udoka.
See, I am this kind of man that if I say something, I must do it.
Give me my money.
You see this your money now, as I've decided to give. Let me give you your money.
Give me my money, Udoka.
It is inside this bag.
Oh, my money.
If you remove your hand now, you get your money. Then I open my bag and where will I go with it? You think I will go to my...
Hey!
You're fine. You're healed. You're purified again. Gonna thank you. Gonna thank you. Thank you.
I betrayed my I've been advising to stay away from you. Just 5 calories. 5 calories. Took my friend off.
Who are you? I am your shadow whom you cannot run from. How could you allow yourself to be deceived by that evil man? You betrayed your friend because of money. You have broken the bond of friendship and has incurred upon yourself the wrath of the gods. You do not deserve to see another daylight.
Please, I am sorry. I think I was deceived.
Light has come to take over the land. Light has come to take place in the kingdom. Light has come to take over the land. Light has come to take place in the kingdom. There is evil in the kingdom, so much darkness, but God